Remind yourself about seahorse. Seahorse are fish. They breathe together. They eat plankton, baby fish, and shrimp. They are female seahorse and male seahorse. The male seahorse has poodle pouch. He also gives birth. Thank you.